Good evening, everybody, on this hot summer evening. We're going to get in our kayak today and we're going to go in these coves. We're going to target these shaded areas for these bluegill beds and stuff like that. We might try a few jigs for those crappies. It's hot. I'm going to try to see can I do it. Got my kayak ready. Already about to slide. Got my kayak ready. So I'm going to get in. So I'm going to go ahead and try. In these coves, y'all. Yep, let's go fishing. Trying to get situated now. I'll use one of my paddles so I can push myself all the way in. Fishing boots together. Make sure I have those together so when I get in, everything will be set. Go ahead and get this joker out here good. Yeah, I'll shove it out good. Probably can put this right here. Go ahead and sit down. I can put that on the other side. It's gonna be in. Alright, we're off, guys. We're off. Make sure everything is good. Go ahead and throw my basket in. Boat paddle. Make sure I have these boat paddles in the right spot. Let me get this under here so I can go over the rest of the stuff that I got. Alright. 6-foot rod. I'm using a 6-foot rod. Make sure I get this camera set up right. Might go ahead and go to the other side and then get situated. This heat is so hot. Using a number 12 size hook for my drop shot. And let's go ahead and go on the other side. Let's go ahead and go over there where that shade at. Gotta excuse the camera, y'all. Until I get everything set up, it's gonna move around a lot because I got it over my life jacket. I see, that's like a good shaded area. I can post up and get situated. Over here by these logs. I'm gonna try to set it up where I can have it. I think I won't have to probably won't move that much. That should be good if it holds right there. I'm not gonna be moving around and fishing and setting that hook. Let's get in the shade. And then go ahead and set everything up. Okay, try the way I can tie on to something. Okay, get myself together for a second. Alright, guess we can start over again now. Keeps moving. Alright, we're drop shotting. I got it, I think 2.5 feet deep. We're using wax worms. Yeah, wax worms. And jigs. The number 12 size hook. Let's go ahead and get baited up. Get this a nice good cove right here. if I can get started. Man, is it creamy hot. I'm already sweating. I'm not even nowhere. Just right here. Yep, already hot and sweaty. Alright, here we go. Let me get this little hook. Try to see can I bring it to the camera. How I'm putting it on here. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Let me see. A little small, little number 12 hook from Walmart. Small one. Just take the wax worm and just go thread it through his body and hook it on there like this. See if I can get you in the camera. Yep, and I'm gonna be focusing on these beds. Just casting it out and just retrieving it. Using probably a sweeping motion or just let it sit still and just jerk it. Trickle it a couple of times. And get situated. That wind feels good. That wind feels good. I might need to move back from this tree. Okay, let's make a cast. Let's move back from this tree a little bit. Alright guys, I'm back. I have to retie that drop shot. I hadn't put any bait or nothing on it yet. Nothing ain't on it yet. I just got it sitting right here. Fish with this jig for a minute. This Bobby Garland. Cast it out and just bring it around the bank. See what I can find. I'm gonna get everything set up in a minute. It's just this heat. It's throwing me off. I got a game plan already what I'm gonna do, but it's just realizing this heat being this hot kind of throw your mindset off. I'm about to get it right in a minute. Let it drop like 8 feet. Make a couple more casts with this jig up here, close to the bank. And I'll put my drop shot back on. Bait it up. Already getting a bite. I don't see how he's doing that. He should be hooked. Let's see, can I go ahead and stick him? You got a little weight on him? No, that's probably how he's running. A little small one. Barely got him hooked too. Yeah, barely got him hooked. Yep, sorry about that, y'all. Camera got hot and it shut off. I kind of figured it was gonna do that. That's why most time when I do these summer videos, I'm doing most of that, at night or when it's cool, evening or something. Well, let's go ahead and try it again. I had caught one. Camera had shut off. It might shut right back off because I didn't give it time to really cool or just turn it back on. But I'm in the shit. I said in my spot and wear them out. I ain't hit that fast, but it ain't too much. You feel like a small one. Like it came off. It came off. I got something for that. I got something for that. That right there. Bend that hook out a little bit. I mean, as soon as he got down that good, he hit it. And he come off. Felt like a pretty good one. A good, decent sized one. I didn't bend that too far. Let's try it again. Let's set that drag a little bit more. Alright, there we go. There we go, y'all. We're just dragging along, making baby steps, keeping the line tight. You'll feel them thumping it. And just set that hook. See, he thumping at it now. See, can I get him? Nope, missed him. I should have let him take it. Man, he probably took it off now. He probably got it. Nope, it's still on there. Yeah, keep that line tight and just drag it back slow. Oh, he almost took it from me. Now he should stay on there. Got at least a smaller one though, but Yeah, these little small babies, man. Small, look at these little small green sunfish. Might be right in front of me. Probably ain't got to even gas. The air feels good though. I need to adjust it, set it up so I can adjust it. Adjust this seat. I'll get turned around. Yep, see, we're gonna get it. A lot of smalls, so they're getting a little bit up in size. A little bit up in size. But that's what. See how you tapping on it, a little bitty one. Hey, pull and drag because I got it set wrong. This look like a good keeper. You know, the baby when he's so small, if you remember. Oh, he's pretty good size. About the same size as the other one. Yeah. Rough day, man. Yeah. I do go ahead on for this, y'all. Thanks for subscribing and, shoot. Rough hot day. Alright, later.